Hello everyone, this video is presented by Chiacon Consulting. In this video, we will see how to move specific extension of files from a folder to another folder in UiPath. So let's get started. So in order to move files of particular extension to another folder, I have created a demo folder which consists of number of files. Some of are .png, some of are .docs, some of are .pdf. So in this video I will move all PNG files to this PNG files folder. So let's get started. So for that I will have the path of the folder first. So let's use an assign activity. So in order to store all the files in a variable, we require an array. So let's create an array variable. Let's initialize the array also. Okay. So we have created our array variable. Now we will store all the files to this variable. For storing the file, we will use directory method. That is directory.getFiles. In this, firstly we will give the path of the folder, and we can copy the path from this search box. Now after that, we will give the extension which we want that this particular extension should move to another folder. So in this video, as you know, we are using .png. So we will use an asterisk and .png. Okay, so we got all the files which are of PNG format in this array. Now we will use an move file activity. Now we will use an for each loop so that we can get each file particularly. Now to access this array, we will use an loop, that is for each loop, so that we can process each file separately. So we will select a type argument as string type. So now we will use a move file activity to move the file from one folder to another one. File name is item. Now we will give the destination folder also, that is PNG files. Okay, so all set. Let's run this bot. So as you can see, all PNG files are moved to this folder. As you can see, all are PNG files and rest of the files are separately. So we got all PNG files in a separate folder. So this is how we can separate a particular extension file and can do operations as per our requirement. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.